Hey y'all, welcome back to Rampant Recipes. It's a beautiful morning and we're trying to get started off right before we got a busy day ahead of us. Making a quick and simple breakfast. Gonna fuel the soul, y'all. What do you like for breakfast? I don't have any paper towels, so this will be fun is what I'm gonna say. After pulling this bacon out, I'm just letting this pan come back up to really hot temperature so I can cook these potatoes in there and let them get nice, crispy, golden brown, and delicious. I have that bacon fat in there, so I want it to season my pan, re-season it very well. Coconut oil sucks, y'all. I do not like it from a cast iron skillet. Just making a nice, simple, delicious breakfast using what we have. When we made potatoes the other night, I made sure to make extra so I could have a delicious, prepped thing. Got it turned down. We're gonna let this crisp up. Alright, y'all, these are pretty good. They are smoked and a baked potato, really, and they fried up perfect. Never done it before, but it worked great. Get the skillet hot, cool it down, and then do the eggs. Alright, y'all, I cooled it back down. At least tried to. We're gonna pour these eggs in. It's really hot still. It's all the way down though. Just gonna get all this egg out. There's flies everywhere because if you leave the door open for 2 seconds, flies come in because there's cows across the way. Love cows, hate flies. Just mix them up. Coconut oil does not do great to season the skillet. Olive oil works like a dream. I love it. I've never used avocado oil, and a natural fat like bacon grease works amazing. Again, I've never used anything different. If you're cooking up a really fatty meat like ground beef, that'll help. These are working out great because I put a tiny drop of olive oil in there. We don't have too much. Cooked the bacon, left that grease in there, got it super hot to season again. Then I cooked the potatoes with a little bit of coconut oil. Then I put a little bit of coconut oil for this, and look at that, no stick. You just need that grease real quick. That'll do it really well. Have to supplement a little bit with coconut because olive oil is really expensive right now. These will cook up really quick. Hey, alright, y'all, I'm going to cut the heat. These are pretty much done. And this pan will hold some of that heat and cook it the rest of the way. Depending what you like. Got a tiny bit of residue, but it's just wiping away. Just rinse this pan off, put some oil back on there, and then good to go. Clean. Might turn the heat back on for just a second. To me, these look amazing. Cut the heat. Now I'm getting a little bit on there, no biggie. Put some ketchup on here. Good to go. And a little prep. We appreciate y'all for watching. Hope you have a fabulous day. If you liked, consider subscribing, liking this video, and letting us know what you think down below. Bon appetit. See you soon.